Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today we're going to be hiking in New Hampshire again on Carolyn's trail, which is conveniently back in Wapack National Refuge, which was like, I don't know, 2 videos ago I think that we went there. So we're back here now, and we're just going to hike up the mountain. I think it's a mountain, and then we're going to come back down the other side. And yeah, that should be it. Also, I'm sorry if the video looks weird, but I lost my tripod, so now I have to hold my phone, which is really annoying. So if it looks weird, we'll try and fix it, try to buy a new tripod for next video. Look at this levitating tree that we found. It's connected up there to the other tree, but there's no trunk. It just ends. There's not even a stump really, it's just a tree that's floating. See the grasshopper? That right there. It's so well camouflaged. Finally, we reached the summit at an elevation of 2,278, I think that says. 2,278 feet. We've reached the North Pack Monadnock Summit. I know this kind of seems stupid, but look at how many ants there are. They have this like almost ant highway going across the whole path, and then it keeps going around this tree, and then you can see it continue right there. I'm not sure if you could see that. There are a couple ants going across. That's actually so strange, but so cool at the same time. So now that we've finished our lunch, we're going to begin the hike back down the mountain to where we started, I guess. See you guys there. Look at this nice little trail that we have going through the marsh. It's so cute. So it's getting a bit late now, but we got back to the campsite around like a couple hours ago. And I just forgot to record something. But yeah, we're just gonna make dinner and go to bed. What else is there to do at camp? So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. So now it's the next day and we're back at camp, and we decided to go down to the lake, maybe have a swim. Unfortunately I didn't wear a bathing suit, but at least I'm gonna be able to fly my drone, so I should get some cool shots. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like down below. If you like these type of videos, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.